Hi. Those shoes are lovely. Can I see them?
Which one do you like?
That actually looks really cool. The black ones. Here.
The black ones. They are quite lovely, imported from Italy.
I've been to Italy. How much are they?
These shoes are $80.
$80. That's so expensive.
Not so expensive. Only $40 for one shoe.
Do you have another pair of black shoes?
This pair is only $20.
Why are these shoes so much cheaper?
Because they're made here.
Made here? What about the quality?
The quality is very good. These shoes will last a long time.
How about $15 for the pair?
Oh, I'm sorry. Not enough. $18.
I'll give you $16.
Okay, for you special price $16. Would you like a bag?
No, that's okay.
Thanks anyway.
I'll wear them. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.